Alright, for this video what we're going to do is go step by step through the process of editing your squeeze page files so you're ready to upload them. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go right on over to Composer. Composer is the file that we have downloaded. So you need to go to Composer and double click on it. Composer is the website software, so you need to go to the folder, whether it's on your desktop or in your My Documents or your Downloads folder, wherever you have it saved. Just open up the folder and click on this image, which looks like it's like a blue circle which looks like the world with like a leaf on it. So you just want to double click on that and you want to select Run. So double click on that and select Run. Now that's going to take just a moment for it to start up here. And the next thing you want to do once this is started up is you need to go find the file. So first though, when Composer first starts up, it's going to give you different tips and things like that. So you could actually check this box that say show tips to startup so it's unchecked, and that way it doesn't always display new tips for you. So what you can do here now that you're logged into Composer, is you want to go right up here to where it says open, and you want to navigate to your computer to where the files are located, the squeeze page files, which you should have extracted them by now. So you should have extracted the squeeze page files, and they will look just like this, a whole list of HTML type files. And what you want to do is you want to open these different files. So you want to take the index file and you want to open that and just hit open under index file. And this is the index file. What's great about how this is set up is that you can easily go in and edit the squeeze page if you want. So like for example, if I wanted to change this wording, I could just put my mouse there, hit backspace, and say, whatever I want to say in there. So, that's going to be completely up to you. But this is basically the template. You can edit it as you want, but you don't have to edit it. The only spot where you have to make any changes to this is going to be down here in the footer section. Like down here, you see where it says copyright, and it's got the date, and it's got copyright, and it's got a business name, and then it actually has a physical address for your house and a phone number. This is where you're going to change the information to your own info. See, I've changed it to mine, so to change the information, just highlight that and you can change it to whatever you want to. So it's going to be like your business name, whatever that is, or your personal name. And then the other text you need to modify is the address. So it's going to be like your address, your city and state, and then where it says PH, that could be your phone number. And if you don't want to have your phone number, you could delete that. But it's actually shown that it actually helps put people at ease when they feel like they can reach you. And then right here, all these links right here, as long as you keep them as they are and you upload the files as we direct you to, you're not even going to need to change these links down here. So the only thing you need to change is down here in the footer. Now you are welcome to change your title tag, which can be found up here at the very top. Title tag, you want it to be keyword rich. So we have already optimized this squeeze page for your most important title tag. So this squeeze page is optimized for the phrase work from home internet business, make money online from home. So it's hitting the phrases make money online, work from home, internet business, money online from home, all these keyword combinations. So it's a very good title tag. But let's just close that out. Okay, so very good title tag. But if you want to change it, like for example, let's say that you want to target the phrase home-based business instead, then you could go after the keyword phrase home-based business. And you can do that by going to the source button right down here and scrolling all the way to the top and clicking on title. And where it says title right in here, this is where you could change it to whatever you want it to be. So you could just put home-based business opportunity if you wanted to, and you could change it to whatever you want to right there. Okay, so that's going to be good enough there. By default, the meta description's already been done for you, but this is where you would go in and edit your meta description from an SEO point of view. So you'd go in here and change that to be keyword rich, and then where it says content keywords, this is where you plug in your keywords. So all your keywords will go right in here, and then go ahead and hit save. So once you've hit save, you're now ready to open the next file. So you want to open the next file, which is going to be the About Us file, and hit open. Now on the About Us page, this is where you do want to make some edits. You want to edit this so that it shows up basically with your information. So it's going to be, your business name. It's going to talk about, your company and what you do. And I kind of give you a template here. There's a template for you to go through. It says your business name is an internet marketing company helping people find solutions to their everyday problems. And it basically goes through, how you promote our business online, and things like that, which is what you're doing. So you could actually take this word for word, but obviously make sure you change this to be your city and state, change it to be your name, and then possibly consider adding a picture. And if you want to add a picture, here's how you do that. You just position your mouse where you want the picture to go. So just position your mouse, select image right up here, and then click on this little icon here to browse your image. And let's just go to the pictures folder here, and let's just double click on that, and let's just find a nice little picture. Here's a small headshot picture, and go ahead and hit OK. Oh, and then as far as alternate text goes, you could put in, your name for alternate text, and if you don't want to use it, just select don't use alternate text. Okay, so now there's an image in there now, and you could just save that if you wanted to. I'm just going to delete that image though, because we don't need to worry about it. And the other thing you want to change, where it says return to previous page, click here. You want to just highlight that, and you want to send them over to your home page. You want to just type in whatever your home page is, or you could send them straight to your index page. Now for this example, I like to type in the home page, and then that way if they go to your About Us page, they can be linked directly back to your home page, which is your squeeze page, so then they can take action on, your site, which means opting into a list or something. So go ahead and hit OK on that regards. And now you're moving right along here. So at this point, you've got your squeeze page worked on, your About Us page, and there's a couple more pages for you to edit that are very basic. Next one is the Contact Us page. Very self-explanatory. Your email needs to be changed to your email or your support desk. Mailing address, it's really important that you put a physical mailing address. Try to put a physical mailing address. Even if it has to be a P.O. box, that's fine. But people like to see physical addresses because it shows that you are real. P.O. boxes are, related to fly-by-night operations. So having this information not only helps with as far as people looking at you, but if you run Google AdWords and Yahoo ads and MSN ads and all that kind of stuff, like pay-per-click advertising, they will look at your site and give your site a little higher value than the other sites possibly, because you're actually giving people your address, you're giving them your email, you're giving them your phone number, you're giving them multiple ways to reach out to you. It shows that you're not really a fly-by-night. Even if you're just doing affiliate marketing, this is important for you. So your phone number, put it right in there, very self-explanatory. When you're done, just hit save. So, just plug in your phone number however you want to write it. And when you're done, hit save, and then go right back here to open. And this is the next important file. This is the download free offer file. This is what people are going to go to after they have confirmed with your offer, after they've confirmed your email. So they filled out the form, they went to the confirmation page, which I'll show you here in a moment, and on this page you have all the links to download. Now if you've uploaded this correctly, like we're going to show you later on, you don't even need to worry about changing these links. So make sure you follow the instructions on how to upload them, and all these links will work just fine. Now right down here, this is a very important part of the process. In this yellow area it says click here to build a complete online business using only free innovative methods. This is where you're going to send people to that one-time offer, which is the rights to buy, which is the rights that you have, private label rights you have to your own product that your own 30 video series. You can actually now sell people on this series from here. So you're going to highlight that text. You want to select link right up here, and you want to send them to the file /special offer. So you want to make sure that you link them off directly to the file called /special offer, which is going to be your domain. So it's going to be yourdomainname.com /special offer. That's what you're going to call it here, and you're going to choose OK. When that's clicked on, that should send them over to your sales page, and that's again how you should upload this. And you can change that link to whatever you want. You just need to make sure the sales page you send them to is uploaded to the folder you tell them to go to. So in this example, that folder I would just keep it as is, as we lay it out for you. Again, these links down here you don't need to worry about as long as you upload this correctly. And then where it says copyright 2009, put in your business name here again. So just like I'm doing, your business name. And that's going to be whatever your business name is. So don't write your business name, it needs to be your business. So now hit save on all that, and then hit open. And the next page is an earnings disclaimer page. And for that one, you just can skim through it if you want. You shouldn't have to change anything on that one. So you're going to go now to the free video thank you page. This is the offer. This is what you get after they put in their name and email. So they put in their name and email, and then it says, hey, congratulations to claim your free video series, follow the steps below. And it tells them what to do to check their email. And again, right here is a link to the special offer page, because you want to have this in as many prominent locations as possible, because you want to make sure that people see this. So you want to highlight that text, you want to click on link, and you want to make sure it's sending them straight to the same page that you sent them to with the download page, so the special offer page. You want to just hit OK. And again, the only other thing to change on this page is going to be the copyright information. You want to change that to be your business name. Business name or personal name, but preferably your business name so you can protect yourself. So now hit save, and then up here click on open. And the next file is privacy policy. And inside privacy policy, you want to read through this carefully, because there's areas where you need to make changes. Like, for example, privacy policy, your business name, it needs to be whatever your business name is or personal name. The next thing you need to do is look for where it says email. You need to substitute that with your email address. And you need to also make sure you substitute all these spots where it says email, where it says address, or where it says business with your information. So once you've modified that page, just go ahead and hit save. Let's see here. So once you've modified something, just hit save. And then the final file is the terms and conditions file. And on the terms and conditions files, you can just read through and look for any examples, which I don't believe there is anything you need to change here. So that file is going to be okay. And that red X will just close out each one of these tabs if you wanted to get back to something, and you can navigate through these tabs up here. Very, very effective. So now at this point, you've now modified each one of these files. So the next video, we're going to go through the next steps of setting up this system.